have this money. We have not seen it. We have not seen a single, and you know, this is money you put every financial year. Disaster, where does this money go? When the disaster where is this money? Why are we not feeling it?
Governance, yes. What do you expect by now?
Depending, of course, it's relative from county to. There are counties that will not feel. Gusii, we don't floods in Jiri Nyinge. Yes. South Mogrango.
Yes.
Asomoske, Sora Kuru actually should be forefront. So, so when as a county, you've been advised that we're expecting heavy rains. Now, it is your responsibility to educate abantu through a department in civic education and public participation. It is your responsibility na mutane pa bagachiri nyomba mu facilitate mwate na gase murega lira berungu chiri kwanyuka because they have information. They have all this information.
Mapema.
Yes, it's their responsibility kwagacha onyene kurende what are they called bridge. Asa abantu bananyara gutambuka babe save. It is their responsibility purely. Drainage system, we have a pathetic drainage system in Kisii. That is why they're not able to play football because of drainage.
Yes.
So this is the more expected resources should be put into sorting our drainage system. Actually, counties, much as they're expecting money from national government, which is a national component, yes, because they have this budget. I can guarantee you.
Only the budget here.
But the year 100 million is a lot of money. 200 million is a lot of money. Why do you want to build roads at the expense of saving lives, Chabanto?
And the deputy president yale kobolina chibesa kirimo begetalia ebigancha abantu bagoja go siriyo bugima bayiruna machi ngimocha okolera kirebesa nebangire.
Of course nebangire. The only place to go give a deputy president na krawata una babaire chibesa chiel Nino. They haven't.
Okay.
And the other place I differ with the county government is they have absolutely no money. No. When you draw the annual development plan, ADP account,
disaster management,
complete. And by the way, almost they have employees.
Okay.
I know, like Kisii County government, Nyamira County government, they have a whole director of disaster management.
Yes.
They have a deputy assistant. We have fire people.
Department.
Yes. We have those people.
But dispatched within a short while.
Yeah, now that they are in the office, they are earning a salary. They have a plan. They have a budget. But are we seeing this?
Is it difficult to go trace the national government? Is it difficult? Deputy president, they have
not given them that money.
But the system, yes, the money was dispatched to Kurugaiga, which is the account in what is so difficult with us knowing?
They have not. So that's why I'm going.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to dispatch, and the president has said there's no El Nino. So when there is no El Nino, you cannot go ahead and dispatch this money. It means this money, if our financial internal controls and systems were working, it could be allocated to do something else. But we have not been told. Because we have a right. We have a right to information. But when I have said 10 billion, while Kenyans are losing lives, while property is being lost, while and you know, I was just